Okay?
Yes.
Tell me, please.
Okay, so near Bucharest, we invite you to the Mogoșoaia Palace, which is a great location, offering the visitors the greatest place with the Brâncoveanu sculpture style. This Brâncoveanu architectural style is specific to Romania. It is the only style which combines Renaissance style, Baroque style and Oriental style. And for everyone who comes there, they can admire the arcades and the interior sculptures of the palace and the exterior design of the building. It also offers a great location for events, for weddings or for special events or even for conferences. It organizes concerts. It also has a great landscape where people can come and hire a boat and have nice boat rides on the lake. It's also romantic for people, couples or families with children to come there and spend their free time. And you can also even go for a picnic or even make some grilled chicken, because the local authorities have designed special places for tourists, offering as many opportunities as possible for them to enjoy this experience.